Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make healthy avocado smoothie. This smoothie is very healthy for our body because avocado is a great source of several healthy fats and fiber. So that's what we are going to make today. So stay with me as I put everything together and we're going to see how it comes out. So let's dive right in. So in today's ingredients, we are going to be using 1 avocado. Also, we will use a half cup of vanilla yogurt. We are going to use 1 cup of milk, and we are going to mix all this together and make our smoothie. You can add ice to blend, but I'm not going to add ice. And so let's put everything together and see how it comes out. All I'm going to do now is I am going to just cut the avocado out and see how nicely it looks. And I'm just gonna do it that and take the cord out, and now I'm just gonna slide it like this and then like that. That way it's easy for us to just open the skin like this and it should just come out. And I'm just going to drop that in the blender. Healthy avocado. I think this is gonna be delicious. I'm just gonna do the other one. I'm gonna leave one for garnishing. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put the yogurt. This is half a cup of vanilla yogurt, and I'm going to use the milk so we can get everything out of it. I'm going to add the rest of this, and like I said, you can add an ice. All right, so we are going to blend. All right, so now we add everything together. We are going to blend everything. I'm going to cover this. Okay, so our blend is ready. Avocado smoothie. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks so smooth and yummy. All right, so now I'm going to pour this in the glass. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love the texture. It is so nice, creamy. Oh my well, that is lovely. I'm going to garnish this with this a little avocado, and look at that. Oh, this is amazing. I love this. Well, I'm gonna give it a taste and tell you exactly how it tastes like. Hello, so we just finished making our healthy avocado smoothie, and it is so creamy and smooth. And I'm gonna give it a taste and see how this looks like. It is very creamy. You taste the avocado, you taste the vanilla yogurt that we put in, and it is so yummy. If you don't like avocado, you might not like this smoothie because it's a little bit thick because of the avocado. Probably you could use maybe 1.5 cup of milk to make it a little bit lighter. Probably you might want to add maybe a little extra more milk to this, but for me the texture is good. It's thick and it's avocado. But you can taste the vanilla yogurt that we put in. Avocado contains magnesium, niacin, potassium. It has a good benefit for healthy skin, so it's good to try avocado. And if you are not much into avocado, just try to use half of avocado and half of every ingredient to get the same value that you need. So I hope you like this smoothie, and also if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also like, share, comment, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos, and let me know how your avocado smoothie came out. I want to know. If you add anything else to it, let me know, and I will see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.